But no matter how careful you are, accidents do happen, and no matter how much you try to avoid it, your iPhone screen could end up looking like this. So if it happens to you, what exactly are the costs of getting your screen on your iPhone replaced or repaired? Oh, it depends on what model you have, with each one fetching you different pricing from Apple directly. Naturally, older models with smaller or lower quality screens will cost less to replace. However, with newer iPhones and especially flagships, the costs quickly increase. The cost will also of course be affected if you had any kind of warranty, like for example the AppleCare Plus plan, which means you just get to pay a small flat fee, and of course any third-party warranties will have different costs as well. And there is several ways you can actually get your phone repaired. Obviously you can get in touch with Apple directly, however there's also the Apple Authorized Service Provider program, which usually large retailers like for example Best Buy are part of. And then there's also the Independent Repair Provider program as well, mostly for smaller mom and pop style repair shops. And while in the past Apple were kind of infamous for how stringent they were when it comes to third-party repairs or people taking repairs into their own hands, it has kind of softened up a bit in the past couple of years. So there's a lot more options out there when it comes to less authorized repair services providers, where Apple will still honor the warranty. You can even do it yourself by ordering the parts directly from Apple, with third-party repair kits also being available. That is potentially a pretty great option, seeing how you just have to pay for the parts and not for the service, seeing how you're just doing it yourself. Though of course you have to be pretty careful and know what you're doing. However, it is surprisingly easy, with plenty of guides out there on how to do it nice and safe. So it's a pretty good option if you want to save money on repairs, but also if you just like DIY, like playing around electronics, and want to give repairing your own phone a shot. So that's pretty much everything you need to know about how much it costs to repair your iPhone screen, and also what are the main avenues for you to do so. If you found this video helpful, maybe subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.